there, web enthusiasts! Get ready to ride the wave of web design evolution as we explore the coolest and trendiest website design trends to look out for in 2023. The world becomes increasingly digital. It's important to stay on top of design trends that will shape the way users experience your website. Here are a few top website design trends to watch out for in 2023. Number 1. Personalization. Consumers expect individualized experiences, so it's important to create unique experiences tailored to their needs. Number 2. Voice interaction. With the rise of voice-activated assistants like Siri and Alexa, websites will need to be designed to accommodate voice interaction. Number 3. 3D imagery. Three-dimensional imagery can help bring products and experiences to life for users, making it an exciting trend to watch out for. Number 4. Minimalism. Simple, crisp design will always be a classic. However, in 2023, expect clean lines, minimalistic navigation and color schemes, and even smaller text to take center stage. Number 5. Responsive design. As more people continue to access the internet from their mobile devices, creating websites that are optimized for responsive design will remain a critical trend in 2023. Staying on top of these website design trends in 2023 will ensure that your website remains fresh, engaging, and most importantly, relevant to the evolving needs of your audience. And there you have it. Thank you for listening. Until next time.